That can go in the air fryer?
Can today. What's the worst that can happen if you put a bowl that's not supposed to go in an air fryer in an air fryer?
It'll crack.
It explodes.
That's okay, we can clean that. No, it'll be like one of those things where all of a sudden it'll go, "Pah!"
Okay, then I'm gonna just step away.
Super high protein spinach dip.
I love protein.
We love protein, and we also love spinach dip. So if you're gonna have spinach dip, why not have high protein spinach dip? This recipe that we're gonna do today is very simple,
Okay.
but it's packed with protein. Dare I say, like something like 30 grams of protein, which
Wonderful.
is amazing. And it's not a large recipe that we're gonna do. We're gonna do it more like a smaller size. Like you and me wanna have some spinach dip one night, but of course you can upsize it if you want to. First thing we're gonna get is the source of all protein. Everybody's adding cottage cheese to everything, so why not add it to spinach dip? We need half a cup. Do you want to throw that in our blendable container?
Half a cup or 1 cup?
1 cup. Sorry, 1 cup.
2 halves.
2 halves. Next thing, spinach.
Okay.
It says a cup of spinach chopped. I've got to blend this. We're gonna smooth this out first. Kristen, how do I get this thing to go? Got it. Yeah, that looks good, I think. I don't know. It's cottage cheese. It's already smooth, no?
No, you're smoothing it out. You're smoothing out the lumps.
Yeah, it's smooth.
Okay, and here's the spinach.
And while you're doing that, we're gonna add some more protein with 2 tablespoons of Oikos high protein
Oh,
Greek
great.
yogurt. Salt, pepper. I like it salty. And garlic. Oh no.
What?
I might have gone a little too far with the blending. It's like a smoothie now. I might have to redo it.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
It's okay. There's still pieces of spinach in there.
Yeah, okay, fine.
And we're just gonna top it off with the cheddar cheese.
Yep. Oh, more than that.
You want it cheesy?
Yeah.
Okay, is that cheesy enough? I think that's good. That's a lot of cheese.
It's a good amount. I'm happy with that amount. Insulation for the bottom,
We're just gonna put that in right in the air fryer.
right in the air fryer.
Just like that.
What level air fry did you do?
Air fry level. How many minutes?
5.
5 minutes?
5 to 7.
So 6?
5.
Okay.
Okay, 6.
I'm excited to see this high protein, cheesy.
Hey, we didn't break it. Ooh. Now, how do I do this without burning my hands is the question. Spinach dip
Extraordinaire.
for 2. Air frying makes sense. You think about how long it would take in the oven. Oh, and it's like crispy.
Is that too crispy for dipping?
Not for me.
Is the whole thing just gonna come out?
No, because we're gonna, are we allowed to destroy this now?
It's gonna burn my mouth.
So don't do it. Don't let it burn your mouth. Yeah, this is definitely mouth burning.
You're gonna stick that in your mouth? Okay. Did you burn your mouth?
Nope. That's good. Like, you think about it, that is pretty healthy, man. Cottage cheese and Greek yogurt and spinach. There's no cream cheese in there. Usually it's made with cream cheese.
Really good. It's a really good snack.
That is yummy. Delicious.